welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing something pretty fun. I grew up watching BeetleJuice, and one of my favorite characters was actually Miss Argentina, and so I'm going to do her makeup today, like the whole nine, everything that you can see, and it's going to be pretty fun, I think, and I'm so excited because I've been wanting to do this for forever. And I will just say before I start this, she does have 2 slits in her wrist. If you are triggered, please do not watch this. Then again, if you are triggered, you probably shouldn't be on my channel. So this is going to be my first special effects in a while, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I enjoy it. Let's get right into it. I forgot to take all the makeup off my eyes. And I always urge beginners to grab these 2 palettes. They are my names on them. I did this because I work outside of YouTube, but this is my actual name, so you know, I kind of do this. I also put on a little bit of chapstick because my lips were dry. Always recommend getting these 2 palettes for beginners. The reason I do this is because you can use these for just about everything, and you'll see we mix these into our foundation almost like custom enhancer drops, and they end up tinting the foundation and making everything nice and green, just like her skin. And we use it for a lot of different stuff. These ones are the metallics. You don't use those a lot, but we'll be using them today. And these ones are the mattes. So in between the combination, we'll be mixing them into the foundation and getting her exact skin color. Now, I actually have bangs, but if you didn't have bangs, then you would probably need to braid your hair up. And then with the tips, like when you would braid your hair up, then you would just make a bun like normal. And then just have your bangs come down like this. But since I already have bangs, I don't need to do that. Okay guys, now that I look crazy, now that my hair is up, I have the side pieces hanging down, and my bangs are curled. I can go ahead and comb these out like this. Now I actually have my bangs down like hers. I'm going to put them up out of the way for now, but I will tease those when I'm ready. I'm going to take this blue metallic color and do our contours like she has. Right, so she has a pretty soft jawline. I'm going to push this up back here. So you can see that. Add a little bit more water to your brush. Then for the contours of my nose, I'm going to do it in all blue powder. Right, and as you can see, I've added my collarbones in. I've also added my vein lines here, and I'm going to take this line down and give myself a longer neck. So you'll be able to see in the review shots that I'll have a longer neck. And I've also done a Miss Fame trick here and shortened my nose by adding darkness and contoured my nose, which we're going to go back in with the blue powder, but just for now so you can see. Okay, and then I'm taking my black and immediately on a black backdrop you have a longer neck. So if you know BeetleJuice, you also know that she has a kind of like a cape, but I did not make that. So instead I'm going to take more of a limey green shadow from my Ruby Kisses palette, go over everything, and this all gets darkened down with the dark blue here in a minute. But you can see it does add a little bit of a shimmer. Cool, so now that that's done and you're all evened out, I don't know if you can even see. So let me try and cover up so you can kind of see the color. But now you can see, and now I'm going to go in and really darken up all of these edges and give her some bruises because she's dead. Alright, so in the MUA Professional Palette, I'm going to be taking this dark blue here and using it for my contour. Alright, so you can start, as I'm filling in, you can start to see how everything is kind of shaping up on this side. When you go to do this, do not bring it all the way down, just flick. You can see where your natural bone structure would be. So again, I'm going to do almost a C shape in here into my eye area and darken this up. And so you've already been cut, you have really sharp cut angles. Now you just do it to the other side. I might even hit pan on this while doing this because I need so much. So if you're doing this look a lot, definitely get a lot of dark blue eyeshadow. Now darken this under here. See how it makes your nose look some here. Shorter, like that. Now come up and in. Just right in this hollow here. See? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to line my eyes and then we'll start on the eye look. Gorgeous! Alright, so I've zoomed in. So starting on the eyes, we are going to take a plum Graftobian color, and we're just going to put it all over and around. And we're really going to fluff that in with a fluffy blending brush, actually. I'm going to start fluffing that all in here and around and underneath. Alright, and then the same MUA palette, I'm going to take this really pretty shimmery black, and I'm going to go all over my lid, and I'm going to line the bottom of my eye with that. And I'm just going to use my finger, because any other way it's going to get purple all over, so... Little brush here. And just go over my contour again, kind of blend that a little bit more. It's okay. Perfect. Beautiful. Alright, and I'm sorry to tell you beauty gurus that I don't have a specific lash that I'm using. I'm using something called Fancy Lash from Target from Halloween, and I'm using these because they're flared out on the ends, and I'm also not using lash glue. I'm using liquid latex, so sorry about that too. But this is how special effects artists do it. Or this is at least how I do it. And again, just like a drag artist, I'm going to take my pencil and dip it in the liquid latex so there's a little bit on here. And then I'm going to just apply it to the back of my lash. Okay, well this doesn't look that great, but guess what? This is what I'm working with. And I'm just going to use my mascara, put that a little bit on, and we're good. Now that 20 minutes have finally passed and I finally have these lashes on, okay, let's do the eyebrows, the lips, let's do the blush, let's get it done. Alright, so to do my eyebrows, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this long-lasting liquid lipstick in red and take a small kind of like painter brush and paint it in. Oh no, I forgot this was broken. This beautiful Becca blush. Bright red. And just basically fill that in too. It's okay if you make a mistake because you can just put highlighter under it. Cool. Now you have eyebrows. Fluffy brush. Dip into that same color. Do a little bit on your cheeks. I'm looking. You can line your lips if you want. I'm not going to. Beautiful! Now you can't be Miss Argentina without your hands. So, excuse me real quick. And I'm back. Super simple. I'm really lazy, guys. Seriously, I didn't even paint the other side of my arm. But, seriously, super easy. I'm lazy as anything. But this is, wait, hold on. This is the final look. What I know now about YouTube, I wouldn't have had my little accident. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.